Hey, what's up, folks? Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the new simple commissions updates. I'm very stoked and excited to let you know what's happening with the program. And if you have a work from home business, make money online opportunity, you're definitely going to want to pay attention to this video. Watch this video through to the end, and if what I share with you makes sense, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. So before I go into the updates, I'm going to share with you the stats, right? These are my stats. Now, keep in mind, although it says April 1st, 2025 until today's date, August 24th, I joined this 5 weeks ago. This is my 5th week, and I have currently right now 93 total leads, 17 leads that are waiting to join, 46 signups. These are not all paid members, but these are people that responded to my Mailbot with an intent to join. The conversion rate, now this is incredible, 49.46%. I've been doing this whole online thing for many, many years. I work 100% remotely from home. Even with the best traffic sources and the best opportunities, I've never seen a conversion rate that was almost at half. Total credits remaining, I've got 8,949. Everyone starts out with 10,000 credits, and it's really, really difficult to blow through these credits. If you need more, you can always order them. Total replies sent, 319. So when my leads actually send my Mailbot a message and they interact with it, what this is really doing, this is saving me a bunch of time. Right? This is a complete time saver, so I don't have to physically respond to these emails. The Mailbot does it for me. 7 total unsubscribes. Total conversations, 289. Total earnings, I currently have earned $1,650. Keep in mind, this is just simple commissions money. I've also made a couple of $1,000, a little over $2,000 for my primary business. With Mailbot, you're able to promote up to 3 different business opportunities, and you could change them during the onboarding, but this is all within 5 weeks. So the new update is the back office dashboard feature. So what happens when you go through onboarding and you set up your system, you have the ability to click on the dashboard link and it will bring you directly to your dashboard. So you have your affiliate links in here, you have your Mailbot email address, all members that are active and paid own Mailbot email address. And you could put this, if you're posting, let's say in Facebook groups, you could put this in your social media profile timelines. Hey, want to make unlimited $100, visit this link, right? And then when they go to this email address, I just simply instruct them to, in the subject line, type send info and then hit the send button. You've got the one-click email link here, and there's a new updated video that's going to be coming out, a VSL video coming very, very soon. But what I also like about this, when you click this all leads button, you have the ability to not only see your leads, but you also have the ability to delete them. And I've deleted some so far that were inactive, or in my case, leads that don't include their first name. I look for serious people that are looking for real opportunities and looking for ways to get better results in the home business opportunities they're already currently involved in. Now, income disclaimer, like any other business, there are no guarantees of earnings. Your earnings are based on your personal efforts and your work ethic. But what I love about this program, it solves a big problem that most people have, right? Most people suck at email marketing. I know I personally have spent upwards of $700, $800 over the years on learning how to create the most enticing emails. You don't have to do that anymore with simple commissions and the product Mailbot. Um, the system does it for you. So this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. You can automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel while you are building your list, right? Most of us know the money is really in the list. So the more effective you are at building your email list, you let Mailbot do all of the work. And when you get access to this video, this watch now video, you're going to see a 3-minute video overview that's going to break down Mailbot, all the things that you can do. And this is a problem solver. So the most important thing that I recommend when you get access to this page, and as soon as this video is over, just simply go to the description. What I'm going to encourage you to do, watch that 3-minute video, but most importantly, I want you to get a free demo and send my Mailbot an email. Again, the information is going to be in the description below this video, and it's really a no-brainer. Look, I shared with you the money that I've made in 5 weeks. I know people that have not done that in any business that they've joined, and I'm talking about folks that are spending ridiculous amounts of money chasing the brand new shiny object. So if you want to stop that and you want to start getting results in programs you're already involved in, not only is Mailbot promoting itself, the simple commissions opportunity, but again, it's promoting up to 3 different businesses that you decide and instructed to promote and sending emails out on your behalf. And you can also switch that up. Let's say you take on a new business, you drop one, you can always update that through the onboarding portal. But once you get to your onboarding portal, just simply go to the dashboard link, and that's where you're going to find these updates. If you got some value, shoot me over a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Once again, I'm Troy. Thanks so much for watching this video. Check out the description, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.